Biotech Death of Jesse Gelsinger by Shel Gray Stolberg. The paper focuses on Jesse Gelsinger, an 18-year-old with OTC deficiency, with his family who volunteered for a gene therapy experiment. Some key medical personnel include Dr. Steve Reaper, Mark Bashaw, Dr. Jim Wilson, and Arthur Kaplan, the bioethics expert at the university. On to Tyler.
Thank you. I'm going to talk about the what. The primary goal of the study was to test the safety of gene therapy for OTC deficiency, not to cure the condition. The therapy involved delivering a functional copy of the OTC gene into the liver cells using a vector. The vector used was a modified adenovirus. The adenoviruses are commonly used in gene therapy because they can deliver genes into cells. The trial followed a dose escalation protocol where participants were divided into group. Jesse received the highest dose. Before testing on human trials, the vector was delivered into animal models, including mice, monkeys, and baboons. Preclinical tests showed participants had some side effects, including flu-like symptoms, but they were deemed manageable and temporary. After receiving the vector, Jesse developed a severe immune response, ultimately leading to his death. I'm going to pass it to Kylie.
Thanks, Tyler. On June 18th, 1999, the day Jesse turned 18, he signed up for the study and was confirmed eligible. His treatment began Monday, September 13th, when he received the highest dose at Penn Hospital. The next 5 days, Jesse's health status began to decline. On Friday, September 17th, he was removed from life support and the time of death was noted at 2:30 p.m. 7 weeks after the experiment, Jesse was laid to rest on November 28th, 1999. The study was performed at Penn Hospital in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Now handing it off to Ben.
Okay, thanks, Kylie. All right, why is this important? Well, ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency is a rare genetic disorder in which they have a deficiency in the OTC enzyme, which is an enzyme used to convert ammonia to urea. When you have a deficiency, you get an ammonia buildup in your blood. This can lead to brain damage, coma, and death. Most people with this disease, they typically die before the age of 5. So finding a treatment is very, very important. Now on to Erin.
Thanks, Ben. Jesse's family claims they weren't adequately informed of the risks of the study. Investigations have found that they were unaware of the complications in the program's earlier adenovirus primate trials, where 3 monkeys died of severe liver failure. Additionally, the report being given no prior information on subjects earlier in the study who received smaller doses and still exhibited severe symptoms that were potentially indicative of the multi-organ failure that Jesse experienced. Given all of this, Jesse was unable to provide informed consent, violating the basic Belmont principle of respect for persons. Moreover, the study had a major conflict of interest, as one of the principal researchers, Dr. Wilson, had a financial stake in the development of the adenovirus vector being used in the OTC gene therapy trial. The study also violated the Belmont ethical principle of beneficence by allowing Jesse to participate in the study, even though preliminary tests showed that he had levels of ammonia in his system that should have disqualified him, meaning he was susceptible to harm, including his eventual fatality, that was not outweighed by the benefits of this study, given that gene therapy is not widely used today. Now on to you, Laura.
Thanks, Erin. Currently, the study does affect the research today. Research and institutions have to disclose all financial interests. There's an emphasis on informed consent, ensuring that participants receive all necessary information to make informed decisions. There's also increased scrutiny and regulations of clinical trials to ensure safety and ethical treatment of all participants. This concludes the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.